connection is connecting to a street lamp. Before touching or connecting to any metallic surface, the Voltstick should be used. When connecting to the street lamp, use the red lead with the magnet connection if possible. If not, use the jaws of the crocodile clip connecting onto the casing. Under no circumstances should the casing be removed. In Genny mode, adjust the signal level control so that the CAT display is set to half the scale. Where possible, walk around the column making a note of any signals detected. Once a signal has been detected and the direction has been established, the route can then be followed. Cables to and from other street furniture may also be detected by making direct connections to the metal casing. It should be noted that the signal may weaken when travelling through joints or service connections. There are various types of direct connections that can be used. Connect the red Genny lead to the copper outlet pipe inside the meter box and run the black lead to an earth. The house entry T or riser is another way of directly connecting to the internal copper pipework. Wall lights outside the property can also be used for direct connection, assuming that the casing is earthed. An outside water tap is also another way of getting a